Hi friends, now in this particular video I welcome you all. Number one. Number two, I would be showcasing you the steps for the calculation of geometric mean through Python. Now here we will see first of all a very small a very short introduction to what exactly is geometric mean. Now I'm not going to enter into the details about it. The simple definition of geometric mean for calculation is nothing but the nth root of the product of the numbers that one has chosen, okay, or the given set of numbers in our data, as simple as that. So if there are n elements, let's say, so what will I do? I will start multiplying each one of them, okay, till xn in an array, and then the entire thing is raised to the power of 1 upon n, or the square root of n into the product of all the numbers. That's what the geometric mean is all about, and we will see that in some cases we need to use this also, so this becomes very easy for us to understand it. Now there are many ways to calculate geometric mean depending upon the I should say notebook, number one. Number two, the style that we are looking forward, depending upon the analysis, actually the data that is present. Now here in this particular case, I would say in the video I'll be using a very simple one and I'll be showcasing it. However, maybe later on I would show you the deeper versions of the calculation for the geometric mean also. So here one should know that what are the various ways to calculate it. One, with pandas. Secondly, with numpys. Then we have got with scipys. Then we have got using list, then using pandas and scipy also, and tkinter. That's what we would say. And these are, and apart from this there are others also that I'll be showcasing to you as I keep coming up with more and more videos. Then in this particular video I'm picking up let's say the code in the following matter, which is the first method. However, I'm not showcasing you all the methods that are available right now, since I haven't yet completed with the programming coding part of it. Now multiply values. Now here you can see multiply. Okay, now let me take up first these five numbers, that is 8, 16, 22, 12, 41. I have taken them randomly out here. You can take it as per your choice, and then we can carry forward also. Then n is equals to 5. That's what I have taken. Then geometric mean will be equal to multiply values, then 2 stars, then in brackets we will write 1 upon n. What does this mean? The first star stands for the multiplication, that I'm going to multiply these numbers, okay. This is just, I've taken it as the case was given to me. However, we can choose our own set of numbers and we can carry forward. The first star stands for the multiplication, and the second star is the one that I'm going to define it. Now this one stands for the square root of, or raised to the power of 1 upon n. So this is how you're going to understand this, and we can carry forward how to for the calculation. And once this is done, print. That's the next command that you're going to give it, and simple brackets close, simple quotes close, open. Then it will be the single one. The geometric mean is, that means this is how the entire thing, you don't have to even again key again, plus string geometric mean double quotes, this thing, simple brackets close for the first one, and for the second brackets also we will be closing it. So let us go forward and see as to how to do the calculation also for this particular case. Now here you will see that I have taken the numbers instead of the standard numbers that were given to me. I thought, okay, let me go ahead and change the numbers. So multiply values equals to 9 into 18 into 22 into 32 into 41. So this is the first one. So what am I doing first here? Let us understand this also. This is a very interesting thing for us to understand as to what exactly I am doing out here. So here when I say multiply values, it means that you can say that it is the multiplication of all the values that are present in my data set. So here in this case I have got what? I have got the numbers as 9, 18, 22, 32 and 41. So this will be the multiplication of these numbers, number one. When I say n, n stands for the number, how many numbers I have taken. So here we can count and we can see I have taken around 5 of them. Then geometric means is what? It says that is the multiplication values of this one, raised to the power of 1 upon n, which is the actual geometric means formula. So this is how we are going to understand, and you will see that the value that we get ultimately is given to us here, and we can go ahead and we can report it also, which is 16.9168520 3206165 if I take the first numbers, and if I take the numbers that I have chosen, then it would be coming out to be in a different manner altogether. So you can see that yes, we have got the value. Let me see, in fact I have to showcase to you something else also, and that is basically it is 21.576. Then I have got 167,555,152,633. So after decimal, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 places, which means that after decimal, Python is going to showcase to you 15 decimal places later on. I mean, that is the authenticity of your calculation. Now once you go ahead and you know how to round it off, or we can even round off by using a simple formula, which we'll see later on. I hope you like it, and let me proceed further with yet another calculation in the descriptive statistics. Till then, thanks. Bye.